In this video, I want to talk about the Public Guardian and Trustee, or PGT for short. So what is it? It actually has a variety of functions. I want to focus on the ones that intersect with my practice as a lawyer, and that is the work that they do in relation to people who lack capacity. So I'm going to talk about 3 different functions that the Public Guardian and Trustee performs in the province of Ontario. So number 1 is that this organization actually acts as a guardian. Sometimes there is nobody available to act as a guardian. Maybe somebody needs a guardian, but none of their loved ones live in the province, or none of them are up for the task because it can be a lot of work, or maybe they just don't have any family. Whatever the case is, the Public Guardian and Trustee is the guardian of last resort. That means they can become the guardian of property and manage somebody's money, or they can become guardian of the person and make decisions about healthcare, nutrition, hygiene, safety, shelter, and clothing. So those are all different things that can fall under the authority of the Public Guardian and Trustee if somebody lacks capacity and nobody else in their life applies or is able to step into that role. The second thing the Public Guardian and Trustee does is act as an investigator. When people are noticing that there are serious concerns about the conduct of somebody acting under guardianship order or power of attorney, they don't always know where to turn. They sometimes contact police or lawyers, but another thing that they can do is notify the Public Guardian and Trustee, bring their concerns forward, and in cases that they deem it to be appropriate, the Public Guardian and Trustee will get involved and investigate the matter, and if it's really necessary, they can take steps like bringing the matter to court to try to give the guardian or the attorney the boot and step in to replace them. So that's definitely on the more extreme end of the spectrum, but that kind of thing can happen. It's part of our social safety net. The third and final thing I want to talk about is the role of due diligence. So the Public Guardian and Trustee is involved in all guardianships in Ontario. Whether we're going through court or there's a non-court route we can go for some types of guardianship applications, whatever it is, the PGT is involved and they review plans. There's different kinds of plans. There's the management plan when we're talking about property, and there's a guardianship plan when we're talking about personal care. But in all cases, somebody who's applying to be guardian over a friend or a family member, they have to put forward a plan of action. Here's the situation, here's how I'm planning on making decisions for this person in the future. And that plan ultimately has to be approved by the Public Guardian and Trustee, or at least reviewed. If a matter is going to court, it is for the judge to ultimately issue the order, but the Public Guardian and Trustee sends a letter to the court what they think about it. And if they take no position and they have no issue, that's ideal. If they do have concerns, they put that in writing as well. And then a judge can ultimately decide what to do about that, whether to take that into consideration or to decline a guardianship order, whatever the case may be. But no matter what, the PGT is involved. They see the plans, they give feedback on the plans. And so that's part of our social safety net, again, is making sure that somebody who wants to be guardian is held to some standards, that there are checks and balances of a neutral party looking at the plan and holding someone accountable. So that's it. I'll do a quick recap. The Public Guardian and Trustee, in addition to other things, they can act as guardian. They can investigate when there's concerns about an existing guardian or someone acting under power of attorney, and they do the due diligence, reviewing the plans of anybody trying to become guardian. So that is it for this video. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next one.